How to fix Valorant lag easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just go to search bar here and type uh, background apps. Click on it, and once you're here, just make sure to disable it. You will find it like that. Now disable all those applications just by turning off the first option. And now once you're here, type after disabling all the applications here, just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, open Task Manager, right click on this bar and click Task Manager. Now close the application that takes your memory, like Google Chrome as you see here. Right click and click in task, and also all the applications, all the unnecessary applications. Now just run Valorant as an administrator and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.